Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Hari ini cikgu nak share dengan kamu sebuah video tutorial Projek Sains. Membuat bekas makanan kucing sendiri. Projek ini simple, mudah, kamu boleh cuba sendiri di rumah. Video tutorial ni dalam bahasa Inggeris, tapi bahasa Inggeris yang mudah. Cikgu yakin kamu boleh faham dan enjoy the video. Okay. Jom.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a fruit cat dispenser. First, we need two same bottles, knife and scissors, and then we will need a spray paint. First, we will cut the first bottles into half using knife or scissors. And then the second bottle, we will make a hole and we will cut the bottle in half widthwise. But first, let's spray it with the spray paint. After the paint have dry, we can go to the next step. The next step is we need to attach both of the bottles that we have sprayed and cut just now. Now it's time to put the cat food in the bottles. After that, let's give it a try.